Hello everyone, this is Mika from dmcx.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about the bike size, fitting and geometry and specification of Ben Hermans. Please, before you do anything, please subscribe to my channel and send me a quick comment below to tell me how I do and if you understand my English or if you have any question or regarding to my accent, which is very strong. It is from France. Oh la la. Okay, so now let's get back to our little bicycle. Ben is racing on a Factor 02 VAM 2020 and the bike is equipped with disc brakes. It's very interesting because the brand, the Factor brand used to sponsor another very famous team in the previous years, and then out of the blue, it is now partnering with Israel Startup Nation, which is a new team, and it is nice to see like new teams and new development, new partnership going on in the UCI World Tour peloton. So it is very exciting to watch how things are going to develop. Now I'm going to get back specific to the bike size of Ben. So Ben is a very tall guy. He's 1 meter 86 and he weighs 72 kilograms. He's an excellent climber, so that's why he's racing with that mountain-specific road bike. As a team, have two bikes. One is aero type for the sprinters and fast riders on the flat course, and one model, which is the one we are referring now, the O2 VAM. So here, Ben is racing on the, as I said, he's 1 meter 86 and he's racing on a size 56 centimeters. So if you go to the homepage of Factor is recommending the size 56 for a rider from 175 centimeters up to 1 meter 80 centimeters. So as we know now with the trend among the pro riders, is most of pro riders are picking a frame one size up or even two size smaller than what your local bike shop would recommend you to pick up. That's for many reasons. First, I will go on the frame geometry first. So the top tube length is 565 millimeters. The seat tube length measure from the center of bottom bracket up to the top of the seat tube. That's the length, how it is calculated here, is center to top. So that one is 526 millimeters. The head tube length is 142.5 millimeters. And then the angles, the head angle is 73.3 degrees. The seat angle is 73 degrees. The chainstay is 406 millimeters. It's getting longer than previous road bikes. Usually, like few years ago, up to 5 years ago, most of bikes had like 405 millimeters chainstay. So now they are getting a bit longer. So that gives a bit of longer wheelbase. So more stability at high speed. So the wheelbase for this frame with the fork from Factor, the fork have 443 millimeters rake. The wheelbase is 985. Well, it's almost 86. 986 millimeters wheelbase. The bottom bracket drop is 70 millimeters, and that's excellent. As we know, you lower the gravity of the rider, center of gravity, so it's more aerodynamic and also more agile in the descent. What did I not talk about? Maybe I would refer also to the standover. Standover is very important when you want to pick up frame. So here, obviously, it is one size smaller than what is recommended for Ben. However, this one is 794 millimeters standover. That's very very. That's my phone. Sorry about that. That's for the geometry of the frame. So excellent frame design, very competitive design for racing. So now, specific to Ben setup, the stem length is 130 millimeters. The handlebar width is 420 millimeters, center to center. The saddle height, measure from the center of bottom bracket to the top of the saddle, is 795 millimeters. and that's the distance from the saddle to the front of the saddle to the handlebar grip is 595 millimeters. That's very interesting setup. That's a racing setup. So you pick up a smaller frame, a longer stem, and then the seat post is a bit more out of the frame, but that's very efficient for this very good Belgium rider, which is Ben. Very nice bike. So now I'm jumping to the components of the bike. So as I said, the bike is a carbon frame. Now all of the bikes among the peloton are carbon frames and forks. So here it is equipped with disc brakes. The team is using the disc brake from Shimano. However, it is very interesting because they use Swiss Stop, the Swiss manufacturer of brake pads and disc. So the brake pads are from Swiss Stop, and also the disc rotors are from Swiss Stop, and those are really good stuff. I personally really like it. I really recommend it. Actually, I'm not a pro, but however, it is very good quality. It does brake better at high speed, and it also lasts longer, and it also decreases the squeezy noise. So it is very good. Front rotor is 160 millimeters size, and the rear one is 140. That's basically all of the road bikes out there have this same setup of disc rotor size. The brakes caliper and the brake levers are from Shimano. The team is using Shimano Dura-Ace Di2 components. So here it's hydraulic disc brake, electronic shifting, 11 speed. So the cassette is 11 speed, starting from 11 to 30, and the crank, as I said, is 172.5 millimeters crank length with the chainring of 54 outer and 38 inner. That's is getting actually an increasing trend. I said 38, but however, on the flat course, Ben is using 42 inner ring. For what it was. The bottom bracket is actually the team is using all ceramic bearings. So the bottom bracket is from Ceramic Speed, ceramic bearings. Also on the rear derailleur pulleys, the oversize from Ceramic Speed, ceramic bearings, rolling pulleys, and the wheels. Hubs bearings are also from Ceramic Speed ceramic bearings, and the wheels are from Black Ink, which is a sister company from, or sister brand from Factor. So those are the carbon wheels, and the team use tubeless and tubular. So here is interesting because it is the only team using the Maxxis tires as a sponsor. So Maxxis provides the tubular tires. The section is most of the time 26. And for the tubeless, which are going to be tested during this season, the Maxxis High, I think that's the name, High Road, and the section is 25. That's it. I think I've been all around the bikes, except for maybe the chain is most of the time it's used by KMC chain, 11 speed. That's for the component. I think I've been all around the specific. For the components, like the bar and stem, they're actually from Black Ink, and the same story for the seat post. The saddle is from Sellitalia, that's the Sellitalia team, Sellitalia Pro Team carbon rails for Ben, and the pedals are from Shimano, SPD, Dura-Ace, SPD SL. I think I've been everywhere, all around the bike. Maybe I did not mention the Speedmeter, which are from Brighton, a very good company from Taiwan. Very long-lasting battery, so it's very good. And the power meter data is provided through Fu-Ai. Okay, that's it. I've been all around. The bike weight is pretty much lightweight for 556 with a rim of 60 millimeters height. The weight is 7.3 kilograms. Whew, we did it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment for whatever the question or advice or recommendation you have. I will be happy and make sure to reply to you. Thank you.